moving, so so today's learning target, let's take this off.
Down, do you mean by like percent?
Oh, here, there we go, thank you. But I don't see them.
F5?
Anybody? Sorry. All right. Well, let's try this. Okay, our learning target today is, let's just read it together. It's short.
I will be able to define inference and make inferences drawn from text.
Great. So let's just quickly review what does it mean to infer. Jen, can you read the first definition?
To form an opinion from evidence, to reach a conclusion based on known facts.
Good. And Heidi Marie, can you read the second?
To hint or suggest something.
Great. All right. So during our activities today, we'll just go over the rules real quickly. Let's talk about these as well. Nick, could you read the first one?
I will be respectful and listen actively when others are speaking.
Very good, thank you. And Emily, could you read the second one, please?
I will be supportive of other opinions.
Perfect. And Shannon, can you read the last one, please?
I will take notes and ask for clarification when I have questions.
All right, so as we've done before in the past, let's remember these as we're working together today. Today we're going to talk a little bit about heroes. We've been reading some stories and texts about heroes, and we've all got different ideas of what a hero is. Sometimes a hero is somebody famous, sometimes it's an athlete, sometimes it's just somebody close to you, a best friend, a parent, an uncle, that for you is a hero. So let's think about our heroes. The studies show that a public figure is usually what people think of when they think of a hero. A small percentage is often a friend, which is great. And then there's a little others category there. So I'm going to watch this quick little clip, but now I've got my computer in such a way that I don't know how to get back to my screens. Escape. Yeah. And just watch this little clip. And as you're watching it, think about this person as a hero.
They told me it couldn't be done, that I was a lost cause. I was picked on and picked last. Coaches didn't know how to talk to me. They gave up on me. Told me I should just quit.
And the last bit is...
They didn't call my name. Told me it was over. But I've been deaf since I was 3, so I didn't listen. And now I'm here with a lot of fans in the NFL cheering me on, and I can hear them all.
I don't think of Duracell when I think of a hero, but let's talk to your partner, the person next to you, and jot down some ideas after looking at that video clip. What do you feel that maybe Derek has as characteristics as maybe a hero for someone? If you see any in that ad, if there's anything that comes to mind. And then think about other qualities that you might think of when you think of somebody that's a hero. So talk with your partner and come up with a few characteristics that
Well, he's young, so that makes a lot of sense.
The first thing that came to mind was that he's overcome adversity, and he's as part of his journey. That's the first thing that popped into my head.
Yeah, from like being picked on as a kid and then not getting picked for the draft, and then still keeping on, keep going. So and now he is Super Bowl champion.
He's the first offensive player in the NFL to be deaf. So he's overcome.
So he's a barrier breaker.
He's a barrier breaker, and he's overcome the communication issues that come with that. And he's become a hero to children who are hearing impaired. Because I saw something about how he gave Super Bowl tickets to two little girls who wrote him, who are both hearing impaired, saying that he was their hero. So he's at least a hero to these little girls.
Most of society
it's pretty awesome.
Okay, great. Sounds like you had some really great discussions. Chris, what did you guys talk about? What kind of characteristics did you find? Who do you think is a hero?
Well, we talked about the fact that Derek Coleman has broken barriers because he's the first NFL player on offense to play in the league. He's overcome adversity by learning how to work with people even though he is hearing impaired. And he is a hero to others in the hearing impaired community. He got a letter from two young girls who are hearing impaired, who are sisters, and saying that they actually said, "You're our hero," basically. And he then turned around and like gave them tickets to the Super Bowl and that whole thing. So he does good things, and he's overcome adversity, and he's broken barriers. So that's what we talked about.
You have a lot of information about it. I heard Megan and Heidi talking about some things that make a hero in their mind.
Well, we talked about that, or we said that maybe a hero has to have a story that others can relate to or identify with. And adversity is something that many people can identify with. But then Heidi Murray was talking about how there needs to almost be witnesses who are able to participate as someone achieves something great, achieves a goal.
Yeah, that was interesting. I overheard that, and you're right. It's like there are some people that have great characteristics, heroic, but if no one actually ever witnesses those characteristics, then are they heroes still? It's a good question. All right. So we've been reading we read The Sword and the Stone. So I'm just going to hand these out real quickly, and actually. So go ahead and review this. You all read this previously, and this is just an excerpt. And do I have enough copies for everyone? You might have to share. Sorry. And look and see, do these characters in here have heroic qualities? If so, what are they? Explain those. And what do you think about Arthur? Will he make a good king? And what evidence do you find in the story that supports your theory that he would be a good king? Take a minute and go over that. Once you've read it, go ahead and talk to your partner and come up with a few ideas.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to say that enough time has passed. How many people feel like King Arthur, or Arthur is going to make a good king? Do you feel like, Chris?
Yes, totally. And I'm persuaded by what he says at the end, that he swears to serve God and my people, to put right any wrong.